Good morning, first one of the day, new client with his gorgeous little Speed Twin 900. This is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets with some corrosion protection. It's already going a bit ski whiff here and there. We got our work cut out for us with this one, never been professionally cleaned, not been cleaned in some time. There's corrosion here and there. Got some burnt on stuff on this exhaust which we'll remove off before we mirror polish those up. Those silly covers there, they always go rusty. Chain is looking very sad and dry. But yes, this is in for a full Monty valet. This is going to be quite a transformation, so check back later. Alright, Triumph Speed Twin 900 has now been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets, managed to get rid of all that burnt on plastic. Those exhausts have come up like new. All the engine's been XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards. We misted on. All these little covers have been lightly sanded and polished. Everything's been covered with the XCP, all up underneath the seat, all your shocks, any little bits that I think will rust. I took that rear sprocket off that was all red rusty. We put a little satin black on it, just looks a bit better. All the wheels have been cleaned, all dressed. All that rear disc that was all filthy and rusty has all been meticulously cleaned. These exhausts, look at that, they have come up like new. All the tanks had a good old rub down. Can't really do much with the satin finish, but we protected it with the